A question is whether we Jodo Shinshu Buddhists consider ourselves as having a Buddha nature. I have heard this both ways, yes and no. Those who say no assert that it is totally endowed by Amida and not inherent in our nature. I like to believe that all beings have it, or we would not be able to hear and be benefited by the teachings. Please explain. And here is the answer given by Reverend John Paraskevopoulos. Buddha nature is the true and real, which is suchness, or the Dharma body. It pervades all things. When it lies dormant and unawakened in us, it's known as the Garbha, or womb of the Tathagata. In other words, it is the indwelling aspect of the Absolute in all sentient and insentient beings. This means that there is only one Buddha nature, not many. This is immeasurable light and life itself, which arises in us as Shin, that is, Amida's mind as it takes root in our darkened hearts. While this is always immanent in samsara, it feels as though we are receiving it as a gift of grace for the first time when faith is awakened in us because we were hitherto oblivious to its presence. Though it feels like it is endowed, it cannot be the case that this is anything other than the eternal, suffusing everything that exists in our conditioned realm. Otherwise, we would never be able to yearn for transcendence, hear the Dharma, or aspire for nirvana.